One thing for sure, you're not gonna did for hungry at Colombia. I spent 1,016 Jamaican dollars, you hear me right, to purchase this right here. So, and look all of what me getting at the box. So after your girl I walk the streets of Colombia, me buck up on KFC right here, so I say me not pass until me try it. So after me going there and I tell the lady say me want hot and spicy Kentucky Colonel box or whatever I want name. The lady, she not understand English first of all, so me have to use my Google Translator and tell her some more hot and spicy or barbecue. She said she don't have that, so me have to second for the original. So I got the original. The popcorn chicken never too bad, but the sandwich, me don't know why they go on for the sandwich though. They put coleslaw on it and that just never cut it. You understand? So I box up the coleslaw and eat my sandwich because the girl did hungry. I never go did for hungry. My spouse ordered a 2-piece and him say it never tastes good because as me say it's just original alone the offer, right? So I give it a 4.5 out of 10. For my overall meal, I give it a 5.5.